Most water main and sewer problems occur out of nowhere, requiring a time-sensitive resolution. The average homeowner will search online or contact a friend for a referral of a plumber that they've used in the past. But there is one common misconception, and that's that all plumbers are the same, and that any plumber can handle all types of water main and sewer problems. Now, this assumption continues to cause additional frustration, confusion, and potentially worst of all, additional thousands of dollars in costs. Replacing a water main and sewer line is a specialty trade, and only about approximately 1% of all plumbers hold the required license and bond with New York City to install new pipes from the property to the city pipes in the roadway. So there's 3 questions to ask a plumber before you hire them. And number 1 is, do you have a license to install a water main or sewer on the outside of the house? It's important to research the license number and make sure he or she is not using another plumber's license. It is common to try to save a few dollars by hiring a non-licensed plumber. However, there's no guarantee that the installation has been completed properly, as well as the possibility of the plumber disappearing in the middle of your job. 2. Are all of your workers skilled tradesmen? It's important to make sure that all of the field workers are skilled in what they're doing. It's common for a company to hire laborers with little to no experience that are willing to work for minimal dollars. And it's also possible that this worker is most likely going to work hard. However, it's safe to assume that they are not aware of the technical side of your new water main and sewer installation. And one wrong move upon installing the new pipe can lead to a future problem and potentially thousands of dollars to have the installation completed the right way. 3. How long has the company been in business? The total years a company has been in business speaks for itself, especially when a company is working with New York City on a daily basis. If a company has been in business for an extended period of time and also has a strong rating with the Better Business Bureau, it's most likely safe to assume that your job will be completed to the highest standards possible. Also, you should always be sure to research the company's name and pay attention to the possibility of a name change over the years. Usually when a company has to change its name, it's not always for a great reason. It's also important to be aware of the plumber who's going to serve as the middleman, the in-between the homeowner and the company who's going to be performing the installation. A middleman is only going to add additional costs to your job, as the homeowner now has to pay a premium for dealing with 2 companies. And also, you might not even be aware this is happening. You should always make sure that the company you have signed the contract with is the company who is going to be performing the work. And there's maybe a couple ways you could guarantee that. Ask these questions. Are the trucks going to have your company name on them? Or is the installation going to be performed by employees of your company? And 3, do you have a license and a bond with New York City, or are you using someone else's? All these factors are very important in choosing the right contractor, especially in an emergency situation. Thank you for watching our video.